Those are just my phyllo dough puff pastry sheets into my greased muffin tin. Now I'm coming in with some melted butter and I'm just gonna brush this onto all of these phyllo dough sheets. I love how versatile they are. You can make so many yummy appetizers and desserts with them. I'm gonna show you something super easy today that's gonna be perfect for your next little family get-together gathering, or perfect for the church potluck. You guys are really gonna like this. Now I'm just coming in with my ground cinnamon. I'm gonna give a little sprinkle into each one of these just for a little bit of flavor. Woo! Might pull it back. There's gonna be a few that are very cinnamony, but that's okay, it's good for the heart. Now I've just got some fresh blueberries. I'm just gonna put a couple of these into each of my little muffin holes here. You can put 2 or 3. I'm gonna be adding a few other things, so I don't want these to be overly filled. There we go, spreading those out. This is looking so good. Y'all, I cannot wait for you guys to taste this. I think you're really gonna like it. And I love how customizable this is. You can just add anything you like into these, just like that. Now the phyllo dough, of course, is traditionally used in baklavas, and I'm making this sort of a spring edition of our little treat here. So I've got some fresh raspberries to accompany those blueberries. Just popping those in. We love fresh berries at this time of year. And for a little crunch, a little dimension of flavor, I am gonna put some pistachio pieces in here. I've got mine whole. You can always smash these up into smaller pieces if you prefer. It's really up to you. You can use any kind of nut you like, but I like to add a little bit of nut in here just to make it kind of a nice crunch, a nice texture on the mouth, and more fun to eat. Alrighty, y'all, I'm popping these in my oven at 325 for about 25 minutes. All right, I am just gonna add about half a cup of clover honey here to our pot. We're gonna eyeball in 1/4 of a cup of sugar, just white pure cane sugar, and we're gonna add in 1/4 a cup of water here. Okay, I am just gonna get this nice and combined. This is gonna go so well with those delicious little treats. We've got bacon in the oven and they are just about to come out and be ready. I cannot wait for y'all to taste this. All right, y'all, our honey syrup is ready. Let's get this to the counter. All right, we are just gonna drizzle a little bit of this on top of each of our little baklava style cups here. Such an easy, delicious appetizer. Or dessert, I guess. This is more of a dessert, but this is perfect for spring. I'm sure I got a little bit into each one. Some of them I got a little bit more than a little bit, but that's okay. Some people like it real sweet. Okay. Oh, listen to that crunch. Look at those little berries in there, our nuts, our little puff pastry piece. Our phyllo dough piece. Y'all, this is so easy, so good. You gotta try it.